this box is a very bad example, but you'd have it like standing. Ooh. Hey guys, it's girl Amoy and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do a review for you guys on the makeup brush electric cleaner. This is how it looks. This is what the top of the box looks like. This is what it looks like. So it's the one that comes with the bowl, and basically attached to this it spins and it's supposed to clean your brush like quick and easy, whatever. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what it looks like. That's what the packaging looks like. That's so cute. I actually like this right here, but yeah, looks like. Then it actually comes with a manual, and that's what everything's supposed to look like. So I got the black one, I believe I did. So my little brother is asleep next to me. I'm trying not to wake him, but it actually comes in a little velvet gray travel pouch, and then this is what this looks like. It doesn't come with any batteries, but I did add batteries to it. I haven't gotten to use it yet, but it uses a AAA battery. It only has an on button, so you can't set like the speed or anything. You can only turn it on and turn it off. This is what this looks like. So you have the bowl, and then you have these silicone things. So I'm guessing you'll put the brush in here depending on how big your brush is, but this one's actually huge. But it has other sizes as well, so different sizes, and I guess that's where you put your brush, through that section there. And it comes with these as well. So this right here, I guess you should put it in like here, and it fits down in that. You'd put this in this little section here, and yeah, you guys can see that. I think I should also push it down a bit, but yeah, that's basically the speed. That's how it should be. Now that it's tightened in, it's not flinching around. So, and lastly in the box is this tray hanger thing. So you can put this here. It's just a storage, so I guess you put this here, and then you could store these on here like that. But naturally your brush is supposed to hang upside down like that to dry. So maybe you'll use this one because it's really big, so I'm guessing it can balance on this one. Use this one. I should have probably read the manual, but hey, I guess you'll use this one like that and have it stand on here, and then to balance, so it'd be like that, stand on here. Ooh, this box is a very bad example, but you'd have it like standing. Ooh, I guess I'll figure it out, but I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be like that. And then you have it like, obviously it won't stand on here because it's not leveled, but we'll see. And then you just have your brushes like standing on here, hang down, and it will like dry. yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in here, and let me get these out. So they all come packaged like that. So I'm gonna get some water in here. It says to fill it up to the max, which is right here. So I'm gonna fill this up with some water, add a little bit of dishwashing liquid, and then we're gonna go ahead and test this and see how it works, and if I like it, if it actually clean brushes and stuff like that, and then we'll see. So right here I have my water, and it has some dishwashing liquid in there. That's why it's looking so green. So up here I have my makeup brushes, and we're actually gonna attempt to clean one of these today. Let's just go with attempt to clean this one today. So I'm just gonna get one of those one of these that I've used earlier, but I'm going to get one that can actually fit inside right here, and then once that's done, then I'll show you guys how it's done. Too much because I'm missing the top part to my tripod, so yeah, just bear with me a little. So far this is how it looks. I have it attached, so I just went ahead and push this in here. Let me just release it to show you guys. It's a little bit hard to get out because it is silicone. It's meant to be in there while it spins and stuff like that, but yeah, that's how it is. And then I just reattach it like so. Once it's all up there, then yeah, so far this is how it would spin. Oops. Yep. So we're just gonna go ahead and add it to the soap. That soap and water, I filled it to the max line. Let's see if I could. It's a little bit over the max line. Is right here. It's a little bit over the max line, but it's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip that a few times and then turn it on. So I just have it in and out a bit, just so we could like get as much as we can possibly get off, and we'll see how that is. I think that should be good, maybe. So to let it dry, we're just gonna bring it up a bit. Oop. Let's just bring it up and down a bit. And then, ooh, it's kind of wet in a bit. I think I placed too much water, but now I'm just gonna let it dry out, and I'm just bringing it up a bit. You can see the water spinning and everything here. I'll lift this out. Ooh. That's how it's looking. It should be like drying like that. Should be. I don't feel any water like brushing off or anything on me. So I think it should be good. We're just gonna stop that and see how it looks. Oh, still a little bit wet, but it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel like wet. It's probably like 96% dry, and it's pretty clean. Looks pretty good. Normally when I hand wash my brush, I'll get like every single thing out. Like this still has a little bit, you can see a little bit of residue right there, like right there. But I guess I could have left it in the water for a little bit more, but if you want like a quick solution or whatever, this is pretty good. I'm gonna try one more and see how that goes. So next I'm gonna try this brush right here. You could see how dirty that is. However, for this, it has like a pointy part right here for how the brush is shaped. So I'm probably gonna use something that's a little bit like this. I can stuck it in, so let me find the right size for that, and then yeah. So I have this one on here. Right here doesn't seem to go in that well, but I guess it should be fine or whatever. So yeah, let's see. As you guys can see with this, the water does come up a little bit more because the brush is a bit bigger, I'm guessing. So it does have a lot of residue still on there. It is dry. It looks a little bit cleaner. This brush is pretty messy, but it does have a lot more residue on there. So let's dip it in there again and let's see if it's gonna be cleaned or not. The water is pretty messy at this point, but let's go. Yeah, so it's not quite working as well for this. This is still pretty much wet just the same. But it's not quite clean like it did to the other brush. So we're just gonna try another brush and see. Because maybe it's just like the size of the brush. I probably should use a little bit less liquid, but let's try a different brush. We're gonna try with this brush that has the red on there. It is slack right here because I couldn't get it down anymore, but it seems it's holding pretty well still. So let's just try this one and see. Let's try taking this out now. Like probably dip it a few times. We're gonna take this out now. I'll let it dry. And there we go. So as you can see with this one, it's a lot more clean. It does have some foundation, just like a little bit of foundation right there that you can see. So I'm guessing with powder stuff, it's pretty good washing off powder stuff. For instance, eyeshadow, blush, and so forth. But when it comes on to like cream foundation or liquid foundation, it does have to you're probably gonna have to keep it in there a little bit longer. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, if this is something that you like, if it's something that you'd invest in. Then yeah, let me know what your thoughts in the comments down below. I actually got this because I am a makeup artist and I'm gonna need something that cleans my brushes quickly and that's time efficient. So I decided to try this out. But yeah, you guys saw how it worked and all of that. So is it a good investment? If not, then hey, go ahead and subscribe, like, share this video with a friend, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.